Alexander County line dancers. You see there's a little bit of difference in the age group from the previous group, okay? But we're still hanging in there and we're still having fun. We do this just for fun. We're not professionals in any way. We meet in Taylorsville at the Alexander County Senior Center on Thursdays for classes, and they're open to all seniors. And we would love to have some of you join us. It's on Thursdays from 12:30 until 2, and it is free. So we try, like I say, we just meet for fun and exercise, and just for the friendship of the group. So if we make a few mistakes, that's quite all right. That's quite all right. It doesn't, as long as we all stay on the stage, that's the important thing. We stay on the stage.
You guys go off the stage, I'm coming over the rail to catch
That's right. That's right. So anyway, the next dance we're going to do is called Jackson. Johnny Cash and June Carter song.